This video explains how to use channel permissions in YouTube Studio to grant Human Brain Box or others access to your YouTube channel's data, tools, and features without sharing your Google account credentials. You must be logged into YouTube to provide permission. Navigating to the top upper right side on YouTube, click on the circle icon, then in the drop-down click YouTube Studio, then in the lower left side click Settings, then Permissions. From here click Invite, then enter the email of the person you want to grant access to. Note, the email you use to invite must be associated with a Google account. Then you can select one of the access options. There are several levels of access available, each with varying degrees of control and visibility. Please select the manager role when adding us. Managers can add and remove editors. They have the most control except for deleting the channel. This allows us to grant editor access to our team members so they can handle uploading and optimizing your content. Editors will be able to work on videos, manage playlists, respond to comments, and review analytics, but they will not have permission to change ownership, remove users, or delete the channel. Limited editors have editing rights with more restrictions, including no access to contracts or revenue. Viewers can only view content without editing. Limited viewers have the least privileges, unable to see revenue data or edit. After selecting the appropriate access level, click Done, then Save. This will send an email with an invitation to access your channel and must be accepted to activate the permissions. Importantly, channel permissions do not provide access to the owner's Google account, and access can be revoked anytime.